12, welcome back to Dream It, Do It. I'm so happy that you're joining me today. Today I want to talk to you about a subject that's really close to my heart. This is all about living a life in your best health and having energy to go about your day feeling fueled and raring to go, instead of feeling lethargic and like you've got nothing left in your tank to do the things that you want to do. I think you'll probably agree that without our health, we have nothing. We can't go and pursue our goals or our dreams in other areas of our life because all of our focus and our attention turns to the thing that's wrong with us, and we want to do whatever we can to try and fix it. So looking after our health on a day-to-day basis is actually really important. If we can do the things that allow us to sustain and maintain our health and prevent us getting ill, then that is going to help us in the longer term to be able to achieve our goals and all of the things that we want to do in the other areas of our life. And importantly, having our health and focus on it is going to help us with longevity, with being around longer to be here for our kids and our grandkids. So for the past few years, my attention has very much turned to looking at my health and what I can do to eat the right foods, to get my body healthier and fitter and stronger, and also mentally so that I'm less stressed and I'm enjoying life more as well. So what are some things that we can do on a day-to-day basis to improve our health and our fitness? I've got a few questions for you to ask yourself today to help guide you to what your healthiest life looks like, what your fittest life looks like, and perhaps from there to allow you to draw out some actions that you can take. And they don't have to be big changes, just little things that you can do to start shifting you in a slightly different direction to improve your health and wellness. So the first thing that I would like you to do is think back a few days ago to when you filled out the Wheel of Life, and what was your answer for health and wellness? Because that's going to give you a guide as to where you are in terms of your happiness with how your health and fitness is going. For me, I scored myself a 7. That's definitely a big improvement on where I was maybe even a year earlier than that, but I made big improvements in this area of my life last year. So ask yourself where you're at. That's going to help you think about where you want to be and what changes you can make. I suspect in your heart of hearts, you probably have a pretty good idea of what things you'd like to change, but you may not necessarily know how to change it or what strategies to use to get the changes that you want. My next question would be, what does leading a healthy life look like to you that feels sustainable for the long term? So I think what's important here is what is sustainable. I am such a big believer in creating methods for yourself that are sustainable for the long term. I'm not about fad diets, crash exercising, any of those sort of things. I believe that to live your healthiest life, we need to find ways to make this a lifestyle change, something that you can live with joy and feel at your best and feel your strongest, your fittest, and like you're fueling your body with all of the good foods. It doesn't have to be something that feels like a chore. So to lead your healthiest life in a way that feels sustainable for you, what does that look like? Do you need to change the things that you're eating a little bit? Do you need to mix up how you're exercising or moving your body? Do you need to cut out sugar or alcohol, chocolate, crisps? Do you need to be drinking more water? As a tip, generally that is true for most people. Up your water intake and it's going to help you tremendously with your health. Is it about taking a bit more time to meditate and find moments of calm or stretching throughout your day just to soothe your body and soothe your mind? Just take a little bit of time, pause this video and take a little bit of time to write down some things that you could do this year, this week even, to start improving your health. So until about a year ago, this is an area that I always used to struggle with. If I'd have filled out a wheel of life, it would always have been about a 2 or a 3, because I always felt like my nutrition was poor, I wasn't exercising, I wasn't doing the right things to look after my body. But this time last year, I kind of had a bit of an aha moment. I suppose I probably went through an exercise a bit like we talked about yesterday, of building my belief that it was possible for me to truly live a healthy life that could also bring me joy. And I made a decision to change. And that moment where I made the decision, everything changed really then. Even though I'd done nothing, that is the point when everything changed. So I would also suggest to you, if you need to change something in your life about your health or your nutrition, give it some thought and then reach a decision, because that moment when you reach the decision will be the pivotal moment for you too. And then it's just about finding the right strategies and implementing them. But you have to get your mindset right first and get determined that you're going to do it. So yeah, this time last year, I knew that energy came from movement, because I'd been to enough Tony Robbins events to have learned that if you want energy, you have to move your body to get it. If you think about it, if you stay static for too long and sitting down or just, lounging around, you have no energy. But if you get up and jump up and down for 5 minutes, you'll feel fueled and full of energy. So I already knew that energy came from movement. It's just, I couldn't get myself into a place where I wanted to or would move my body consistently throughout the week. But then fate led me to the solution just at the perfect time, and I think this happens so often for us in our lives. I've been following someone online for probably a year or two who was talking about her online fitness studio and how you could work out from home and the great community that she had. And I was looking for a solution, and I thought, heck, why not? I'll give it a go. If I don't like it, I'll try something else. So I jumped into that, and the rest is history. And now, indeed, I have become a Beachbody coach myself, and I help other people. I have my own online fitness studio where I welcome people and help them really get to the bottom of how to live a long-term healthy and fit and strong and vital life. So the key thing here is, if you're ready to make a change in your health or in your fitness, the absolute first step that you must take is to make a decision, make a commitment that this is your time and that you're ready to make a change. Once you've done that, I can assure you the rest is simply going to fall into place. If you've decided that now is the right time for you to focus on your nutrition or your fitness or both, and you'd like to find out more from me about my Sunshine Studio, which is my online fitness studio and community, I'd love the opportunity to tell you more about it. Drop a comment below or send me a message. But in brief, I'm a personal fitness coach with the Beachbody Company, so I will help you with your motivation and keeping you on track. We have a wonderful community of others. We all work out together and cheer each other on. There's a whole suite of different workout programs to choose from that you can do from the comfort of your own home or wherever you choose, wherever you want to stream the workouts. And there's a whole suite of nutrition products to choose from as well to help you on your journey. Working with Beachbody last year completely changed my life. I lost over 42 pounds in weight last year, and I'm still going. I'm right in the middle of my journey. One of the best things is the community that we have, cheering each other on and helping and supporting each other. It's such a wonderful way to get healthy and fit, and I truly believe that this is a way to make it sustainable for life and have fun while doing it. So if you would like to find out any more, do let me know, and I'll let you have all of the fab information on that. I hope today's video has been useful for you. It's been a lot of fun talking about this area that I am so passionate about. I'll be back tomorrow for the next day of Dream It, Do It. If you enjoyed this video, do remember to give it a like. It really helps me out. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.